students, how are you? I hope all are you good. Welcome back to another class. Today let me start GK Unit 4, Art and Culture, chapter number 26, Instrumental Grades. Okay, so which instrument do these famous Indian musician play write the instrument's name using the help box? Number 1, Pandit Shiv Kumar Sharma, Santoor. Number 2, Amjad Ali Khan, Sarod. Anushka Shankar, Sitar. Number 4, Hari Prasad Chaurasia, flute. T.S. Mani Iyer, number 5, Mridangam. Shivamani, number 6, drum. Pandit Ram Narayan, Sarangi. Number 8, Ustad Bismillah Khan, Shehnai. Zubin Mehta, orchestra. Zakir Hussain, tabla. Number 11, L. Subramanian, violin. Okay, so everyone, the chapter is in here. Now let's begin the next chapter, chapter number 27. Folk art. Read the descriptions of some folk art from forms of Bharat and write their names using the help box. Number 1, it is traditional women's folk dance of Rajasthan. It is a group dance where women wearing swirling skirts as men and women sing together. Woman. Number 2, it is a musical form from Maharashtra. The songs are traditionally sung by female singers and the dance form associated with it is called Tamasha, Lami. Number 3, it is a South Indian painting style done with semi-precious stones, glass and gold. The characters of these paintings are mainly god and goddesses with large round faces and embellished design. Number 3, Tanjore painting. Number 4, this style of painting got its name from the method of craftsmanship. The artist used fine pens made of bamboo, dipped in vegetable dyes to draw. Drawings are made of fine lines and intricate designs. Some of these paintings show Persian influence. Kalamkari. Number 5, it is a cloth-based stall painting from Odisha. These paintings depict the stories from epics, the Ramayana and the Mahabharata, and those of the deity Lord Jagannath. Number 5, Pattachitra. Number 6, it is a popular ritual form of worship in Kerala and Karnataka. There are over 4,000 types of this dance form. The required stage are curtain for its performance. Number 6, Theyyam. Okay, so dear students, this chapter is in here. Now let's begin the next chapter, chapter number 28. Indian classic. Given below is a quiz on Indian classics. Solve it using the help box. Number 1, which musical instrument is Lord Shiva associated with? Damru. For which form of Hindustani classical music is Pandit Bhim Sen Joshi, famous. Khayal. Which raga is sung early in the morning? Todi. Which is the oldest form of composition of the Hindustani classical music? Drupad. How many sounds does a table produce? 12. Veena, Mridangam, Kanjira, and Ghatam are all musical instruments used in which form of Indian music? Carnatic. Who is believed to have created the notation system of the Indian classical music system? Number 7. Vishwanath Bhatkhande. Number 8. Name the famous Indian treatise on music, dance, and drama from the 4th century CE. Natya Shastra. Okay. So, my dear students, this chapter is in here. Now let's begin the next chapter, chapter number 29. Pop greats. Pop music originated in the USA and acquired international prominence around the time of World War II. So, solve this crossword puzzle with the help of giving clues. Number 1. Across. The Swedish band whose name comes from the Italians of the first names of the band members. Beatles. Number 5. Scary, Sporty, Baby, Ginger and Posh were together called Dash Girls. Elton John. Across. Number 5. Across. Question number 3. The Swedish band whose name comes from the initials of the first names of the band members. Number 3. Abba. Number 5. Scary, Sporty, Baby, Ginger and Posh were together called Dash Girl. So number 5 is Spice. Number 6. This is the logo of the Dash. Number 6. Rolling Stone. Next one, number 7. Dash is referred to as the Queen of Pop. Madonna. Now down. 1. Formed in Liverpool, John Paul George and Ringo are together remembered as the Beatles. One of the best-selling music artists in the world who was born on Reginald Neth Dwight. Number 2. Khayal. No, down. Elton John. ELTONJOHN. Number 4. The members of Dash were all born in Isle of Man. Bees. BEG. BEEGES. Okay. So dear students, this chapter is in here. Now let's begin the next chapter, chapter number 30. Art and culture. Let us know about art and culture of Bharat by answering the following questions. Number 1. Which city is famous for blue pottery? Jaipur. Which city is famous for Kasuti embroidery, Karnataka? Which embroidery use 36 types of stitches? Chikankari. Number 4. Which dance form is also known as Dasiyattam? Number 4. Bharatnatyam. Number 5. Which Indian poet was also known as the Parrot of Bharat? Number 5. Amir Khusro. Number 6. Which state is Khozagiri folk dance performed in? Tripura. Which Indian musician founded the Kinara School of Music in Bombay? Ravi Shankar. What are the sandalwood carvers known as? Budigars. In Indian classical music, what term is given to the smallest tonal interval that can be perceived? Number 9. Shruti. Number 10. What is the main ingredients of terracotta? Clay. So dear students, this chapter is in here. My dear students, this chapter is in here. Now let's begin the next chapter. Chapter number 31. Dances of the world. Read the clues and names the dances by unjumble the jumble words. Okay. Number 1. Dash dance is performed with a partner and is enjoyed both socially and competitively. ये है ballroom. Dash is a lively couple dance that originated in Spain and is traditionally accompanied by guitars and hand clapping. Fandango. Dash is a family of persuasive rhyme song and ballroom dance that originated in Cuba. Rumba. Dash is a smooth dance that is characterized by long continuous flowing movements across the dance floor. Number 4. Foxtrot. Number 5. Dash is a popular dance form that originated on the island of Trinidad. The dancer leans backwards and dances under a low horizontal pole without touching it. Limbo. Number 6. Dash is a dance form from the Hawaiian island developed by the Polynesians who originally settled here. The dancers wear colorful costumes made of flowers and leaves. Hula. Hula. Okay. So my dear students, the all chapter of this unit are completed here. I hope you all are very well understood all chapters. We will meet you the next class. Thank you everyone.